Welcome to Guesty Lite, our newest package designed to transform the way hosts do business. Discover how to effortlessly integrate your listings and manage your rentals efficiently, all in one place. Let's take a look around. The homepage is the best place to start. Here, you can view all the upcoming reservations for the next month, view current guests, and resolve any issues quickly. Under Channels, you can connect to Airbnb, Booking.com, and Vrbo in just a few clicks, and save precious time with Guesty's self-onboarding channel wizards. Boost your earnings with Guesty's booking website. Guests will be able to browse and book your property directly on this fully customizable website, bypassing channel commissions and increasing your revenue. In the inbox, you can handle all guest communications in one place. It makes it easy to stay organized and efficient, so you can focus on providing the best experience for your guests. The calendar lets you view and manage all your bookings from different channels in one place. You can change prices, availability, and create manual reservations, increasing potential earnings and saving time. By using saved replies, you can send your guests ready-made messages, from check-in instructions to property information. Message automation allows you to send specific messages based on reservation types, ensuring that all scenarios are addressed and messages are sent at the right time. In addition, you can use reservation automations to streamline the process of collecting payments without the hassle of collecting them manually again and again. The Guesty Analytics tool provides you not only with data, but also with essential insights that will drive your rental growth and increase the income you earn. Save time and resources by automating daily tasks such as cleaning, maintenance, and check-ins. This tool helps you complete everything on time, boosting efficiency in your operations. The reservations page allows you to view and edit all bookings for your listings, whether they were created manually in Guesty or through booking channels. Contacts are all of your guests and potential guests. When a reservation is made, the guest's details are automatically saved to the contacts list. Having access to contacts' reservations and their preferences will result in better service and more repeated bookings. Next, take advantage of the search bar. Quickly find anything you need, from guest details to reservation statuses. And that's not all. Here, you can find a few more useful tools. Guesty PriceOptimizer gives you recommended nightly rates by considering different listing details, such as base price and amenities, market data, including day of week, seasonality, holidays, and any manual adjustments you make. With Guesty Locks Manager, you can manage smart locks remotely from one dashboard with an automatic code generator and complete lock visibility. Damage Protection offers you the ability to receive compensation for damages caused during a guest's stay without confronting them. This will help boost revenue, reduce friction, and lower risks. The Guesty Marketplace offers some external tools that you can connect with to help run and improve your listings. Guesty brings the power of efficient property management right to your fingertips. Simplify your hosting, maximize earnings, and ensure guest satisfaction with one seamless solution. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.